If you have blood type O, these are the foods you can eat and those you should avoid or minimize. Please listen carefully. People think eating according to your blood type is not important, but the truth is that it works and very important. For blood type O persons, these are some of the foods you can to eat: meat, fish, eggs, kale, lettuce, broccoli, onions, pumpkins, turnip, red peppers, okra, garlic, ginger, cherries, figs, plums, prunes, raspberries, cranberries, gooseberries, animal protein, fermented foods, egg whites, chicken, sandwich, chocolate, culture, dosa, idli. Now these are some of the foods to avoid: spinach, cabbage, corn, cauliflower, eggplant, mushrooms, oranges, kiwi, strawberry, blackberry, coconut, green peas, peanut butter, and wheat starch. If you want to know all the foods, beverage, and supplement lists for every blood type, check the link on our bio. Download your copy and know how to stay healthy according to your blood type. These copies are the original and the official diet for everyone. To know more about blood types and other health tips, click on the follow button, like and share for others to benefit.